In general, buckle up Buttercup. This mechanic has anger issues and a serious dislike for stupid people shirt. Merits of ideas. Don't attack people. Personal insults. Shill or troll accusations. Hate speech. Any advocating or wishing death, physical harm, and other rule violations can result in a buckle up Buttercup. This mechanic has anger issues and a serious dislike for stupid people shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Buckle up Buttercup. This mechanic has anger issues and a serious dislike for stupid people shirts. Sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. Yeah, I think there's buckle up Buttercup. This mechanic has anger issues and a serious dislike for stupid people shirt. It's very hard to prove that someone knowing was spreading a falsehood. But I think Fox News really treads that line. The issue here is that Dominion can prove tangible harm to its business, and it can use some legal formula to quantify that harm. Peoples. Since everyone wants to buy a t-shirt, which is amazing. So you can buy a fantastic shirt as always and so easy. So this is an amazing design t-shirt which you can search and buy via the internet easily. Thus let's come to buy and support us all time. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. So good. Other product.